What's up, guys? Brett with New England Auto and Truck Recyclers. Today we're parting out a 2008 Subaru Legacy Outback stock number N01039 116K on it. Got a good front bumper rebar coming off the vehicle, good left headlamp, good left front lamp as well. Got a good grill coming off the vehicle, a little bit of finish on the Subaru emblem. Still in good shape. Good right headlamp on here, you got a good right front lamp as well. Hood's in pretty good shape here, comes with the hood scoop. You got a little rust. Just a little guy on the top there, but still looks good. Left fender pretty clean. You got a little finish here right up in the corner by that wheel lip molding, but overall looks great. Good left knee, complete control arm, spindle, strut, left door mirrors in great condition, power, body color cover, heated, turn signal looking good. Left front door, you got a little bit of rust underneath the lip. You got a couple pings on the inside there, a couple on the middle. Left rear door, a couple pings throughout. Overall, still in pretty good shape. Quarter panel on the left side, that's clean. That's listed with no damage. That looks very good. Complete left rear suspension. Got a good quarter glass on the left here. Good tail lamp on the left side. Good rear bumper rebar on the vehicle. You got a couple of pings on the lid gate here. But overall, still looks great. Comes complete with the hinges, the spoiler. Good right tail lamp on the quarter. Got a good right quarter glass on the vehicle. Complete right rear suspension. All-wheel drive, of course. Good rear carrier. Good transfer case. Right rear door is pretty clean. You got one very small, very minor ping in the middle underneath the body line. Still looks really, really good. Right front door looks like you got some paint blemish and a couple of pings behind that door, the door mirror. Overall, door still looks good. Good fender on the right side, that's clean, listed no damage on there. That looks excellent. Right knee is complete. That's control arm, that's spindle, that's strut. Take a look at the inside here, huh? Trim panels, great shape all the way around. Got a good master switch here, windows and locks. Black, leather, electric seats. Actually in really good shape. Take a look at the passenger seat here. That looks good as well. Yep. Back seat, clean leather, looks excellent. Good roof bag over on the passenger side. You got a good dash bag as well. You do have navigation, so the display in excellent condition. 6 discs, changer, receiver, heat and AC with auto control. This whole assembly, I assume, one piece. That's great shape, good, clean. Got a good floor shifter in here, black wood. Steering column is in excellent condition here. That comes with the wheel, and you got a good wheel bag here. Driver's side roof bag still intact as well. Speedometer is in great shape. Clean, excellent. 116, 220 on the engine. XT 2.5 turbo. Honestly, thing runs, sounds great when you rev it up. I mean, you guys know what to do, right? You got questions? Let's get them over to sales. Don't wait. Don't wait, because you never know. Get them a call. They will be more than happy to give you the help that you need.